Today we're going to replace the cartridge on my Kraus faucet. And the first thing we're going to do is remove this screw. It's actually a screw that holds the waterfall glass. And then once you take this off and then the glass, you're going to take a Allen wrench and that will remove the handle. It's on the top side. And then once you get to that, you're able to get to the packing nut that holds the cartridge in. And when you get a new cartridge, in this case I got mine from Kraus manufacturer, and I took a picture of the cartridge, sent it to them. They sent me a new one under warranty, and also this tool to remove the packing for that. So that was really nice. So I'll go ahead and show you how this is taken apart and assembled on Around the House. Okay, so whenever you're replacing the insert of a Kraus faucet, you loosen up the cover that holds the glass, and then you take off the glass, waterfall, and then the handle has an Allen screw. So you just use your Allen wrench to loosen up the screw, and I've done that already on this one. So you take off the screw, and then when you get a new faucet, it'll come with this tool. If you don't have this tool, you could take the whole faucet off, go to Home Depot, and there is a shut-off valve that has a nut on there that actually fits this if you're not able to get this type of nut. But I've looked everywhere, couldn't find one, but Kraus has it. So I have this already loose because I had to take it apart to order a new one. So you just loosen this up, and once it's loose, you pull off the old one. You just reach in with your finger, pull this out of here. Okay, so after you get the O-rings out, you can see the nipples at the top. I'm going to line up the nipples on this to match, and then you just wiggle it back and forth and it pops into place. And then put this back on. And what I've learned, it doesn't have to be too tight, but it does have a hole that goes all the way through. You can just put an Allen wrench in there and just give it a little bit of a tightening. I don't want it to leak. And then on the back, you'll be able to access the screw. See if we can see that in there. Doesn't have to be too tight, just needs to hold it in place so it doesn't wobble around. Then we put on the waterfall glass. Then the screw to secure the glass. And that's it. Turn on the water and we're good to go.